Today we're going to be talking about the sound. This can be represented by the letter R or WR. Now, if you see the letters WR together, we do not sound out the W. It's silent. So this is right, right. Ong, wrong. So remember, whenever you see WR, you sound it out as just the sound. So the W is silent. Now we're going to get ready to do our brainstorm. So I'm going to play a quick video that you can listen to, and we're going to get some ideas from here.
Are you ready to rock with the letter R?
Are you ready for R? Are you ready for a rocket ride? Are you ready for a regiment of rhinoceroses to rumble through your yard? Are you ready for R? Are you ready for R? Are you ready to row your boat? Are you ready for a room full of reindeer? Are you ready for R? When you're rolling,
I'm rolling.
down the road on your roller skates. When you're racing,
I'm racing.
down the river in your rubber raft.
Do you remember the raccoon riding in the rickshaw? Why, yes, I recall he was eating ravioli.
Are you ready for R?
We're ready for R.
Are you ready for the rodeo?
Yeah.
Are you ready to reach out for a rainbow? Are you ready for R?
We are.
Are you ready for R?
We are.
Are you ready for R?
I really enjoyed those rhymes. Yes, I will give them a good rating.
All right, so some of the words that we heard in the video were ace, race, raccoon, rainbow, rhino, red, rolling, and you can continue to make your brainstorm. My example sentence for you today is capital at the beginning of our sentence. The red rhino was, and then I'm going to go to the next line because my next word's a little long, was rolling by a rainbow. So these can be kind of silly sentences, and I want you to go through and highlight all of your sounds. Now remember, I want you to write 2 sentences and try and get as many words with the sound in them. So remember, it can be at the beginning, it can be in the middle, or it can be at the end. Good luck!